Hello, I'm Alan with ATMGurus.com. Today we're going to show you how to replace the battery on your T7 keypad. The battery required is a proprietary 3.6 volt lithium battery. The tools required are an ESD wrist strap and an analog or digital multimeter. So let's get that battery changed in your keypad. Remember, you have 4.5 minutes before you lose your master keys. Remove the cover and remove your battery. Install your new lithium 3.6 volt battery. Make sure the battery fits snugly inside the compartment and put the cover back over the battery. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you have any problems, you can always call us at Triton Tech Support.